In this video, we will learn how to create an ML model in Ikigai and train that ML model. Ikigai has a number of inbuilt models, and in this video, we will create a random forest model. To start with, click on the models tab on the left hand side and then click on plus button and select create new model. We'll name the model as random forest here, and we will select the model type as decision tree, and in the submodel we'll select as random forest and click on submit. In this way we have created a new random forest model in Ikigai. Now we will see how we can train that model. So we will go to flow and create a new flow by clicking on the plus icon in the flow tab. We will name it as model testing demo and click on create. It will open up a new flow window for us. Now we will drag and drop the dataset on which we will train the model. So we will drag and drop the stitched housing dataset which contains the housing parameters. Now we need to select the parameters on which we want to train the model. For doing that, we will add a select facet, and in the select facet we will select the parameters on which we want to train the model. So for now we will select age, rooms, Lstat and the median value of houses MEDV. We will update this in the select facet. So right now 4 parameters are selected and their data will be feed into the next predict facet that we are going to add. So we will add the predict facet and click on add it. Now we will select the model name as random forest that we have created initially and click on overwrite as true to train the data, and select the target variable as MEDV and click on update. So this model will predict the MEDV values based on the input of all the 4 parameters that we selected in the select facet. By doing this, we have trained an ML model in Ikigai, and from this we will get the predictions of the variable in the target column. Now to see the results, we will export our results as a CSV file. So for that we will add an exported facet, typing exported on the search bar. Now we'll edit that exported facet. We'll select the file type as CSV and we'll give the name as model training and click on update. Now we need to run the flow to get the CSV file. Once the flow run is complete, we can peek our results, and in the peak value we can see we have got the predictions of MEDV on the basis of the 4 parameters that we entered. Now if we want to check how our model has performed, we need to go to predict facet, click on edit and select the advanced option. Here in the advanced, click on the version. Here we can see the performance matrix of the model, and also here is the option of tuning these hyperparameters and tweak the results of the ML model. Thank you.